In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin right away. First, you'll need to log into Klaviyo. So open up your browser and head over to the Klaviyo homepage. Once there, look for the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and then enter your email and password. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Campaigns section. Look for the Campaigns tab. You'll find it either directly on your dashboard or tucked under the Home tab if you're using a specific layout. Click on that tab, and it will take you to a list of all the campaigns you've created. From here, you'll want to select the campaign you wish to test. Browse through your listed campaigns, and when you find the one you want, simply click on it. This will open up the details of your selected campaign. After that, look for the Next button and go ahead and click it to proceed. Once you're in the campaign details, it's time to open the content editor. Find the Edit button, usually situated prominently on the page, and click on that. This will take you into the Content and Design editor, where you'll be able to review the actual email that you're preparing to send. As you work in the editing interface, you'll want to ensure everything looks perfect. To do this, look for the option that says Preview and Test. Clicking on this will allow you to see exactly how your email will appear to recipients. This is a crucial step, as it gives you a chance to spot any errors or changes that may need to be made before actually sending it out. If everything looks good and you're ready to move, the next step is to send that test email. You'll need to enter the target recipient's email address in the provided field. This could be your own email or a colleague's address if you're looking for some feedback. After you've typed in the address, look for that Send Test button. Give that a click, and just like that, you've sent your test email. It's a straightforward process that ensures your email looks just right before it goes out to your broader audience. Remember, testing is key in email marketing to avoid any hiccups or surprises down the line. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to effectively send a test email in Klaviyo. Always make sure to preview and test your emails to provide the best experience for your subscribers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.